This is number 172 in problem solving. And what we have is a formula. It's n times n plus 1 divided by 2. And what this does is sum up the first n positive numbers. So if I was to put 5 in for n, that would give me the sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, and that's for consecutive numbers. So we're trying to figure out what is the sum of all even integers between 99 and 301. Between 99 and 301. So looks like we're not including the endpoints. So that would be 100 plus 102 plus 104 plus ... 298 plus 300. So that's all the even integers between 99 and 301. Well, our formula will not work for this because our formula is for consecutive numbers and we have even numbers. But there's a trick. What you need to do, I'm going to factor a 2 out. Look what happens. If I factor a 2 out of each one of these numbers, that leaves me 50 plus 51 plus 52 plus ... plus 149 plus 150. So now we have 50, 51, 52, all the way up through 150. We have consecutive numbers. So I can use my formula. Now if I substitute in, you can't lose this 2, so let's bring the 2 down. If I substitute in, this last number is 150. If I plug in 150 in my formula, looks like that. But what that gives me is the sum of 1 through 150. And I don't need 1 through 150. I need 50 through 150. So now I need to subtract off, excuse me, I need to subtract off something. I need to subtract off the first 49 integers. I need to subtract off 1 through 49. So that would be 49 times 49 plus 1 over 2. Now if you multiply through by 2, these 2's cancel. So you're left with 150 times 151 minus 49 times 50. You've got 2 terms and there's a 50 common at both terms. Let's factor that 50 out. And that will leave me a 3 times a 151 minus a 49 times a 1. So 50, and then 3 times 151, 3 times 1 is 3, times 5 is 15. That's going to be 453 minus 49. So that's going to be 50 times a 404. And then when you multiply this out, of course it's going to end in 0. 5 times 4 is 20, and then 5 times 4 is 20. So 20,200.